Good morning, everyone. Want to hear from Bradbury in downtown Maquoketa. I just want to show you this quick video on this 2017 GMC Acadia. I do want to let you know it is certified, so you get that 12-month, 12,000 miles, bumper to bumper, plus the 100,000 factory powertrain. It is a very sharp-looking all-wheel drive SUV. It does have 49,685 miles on it. 22 miles on the highway and 15 in the city limits. Comes with your power liftgate, hands-free. Radio controls right here if you're sitting in the back there. Third row does fold down, get you that extra trunk room and everything. Like I said, hands-free, so you just push the button and down it goes. Alright, let's take a look in the back seat here. As you can tell, it's leather seats, a nice chocolate brown color. Sunroof. It does have your rear entertainment center here. So if you guys are going on a road trip or a family vacation, watch some movies. It does have your rear heat and AC controls back here. You can slide this forward and then you can see your plug-ins and everything. Alright, let's hop up to the driver's seat. Alright, here we are in the driver's seat. You got your cruise control. This does come with heated seats and heated steering wheels, also heated mirrors. There's your dual temps. In case the driver's cold, he can go to heat and the passenger can stay cooled off. Heated seats for both sides. Your cup holder. And like I said, this does slide forward, or you can slide it back. Now this Acadia still comes with that backup camera and park assist. Here's all your safety controls. It does have your lane assist. Now what's also pretty cool on some of the vehicles with backup cameras, if you watch the side mirror, they do tilt down so you can see kind of towards the ground where you're backing up if you'd like. And then when you go back in park, it does go back, or in drive, it does go back to the normal settings. You got some storage up here. Alright, well if you would like to come check out this 2017 certified GMC Acadia, please let me know. My direct line here is 563-362-3888.